Squad, it's your girl Killer, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I make my thumbnails. I came to the decision of doing a thumbnail tutorial video for y'all because I've actually had 2 people reach out to me in reference to how I make my thumbnails, and that they love them or whatever, and shout out to them, thank y'all very much. One of the people that reached out to me is actually somebody that I also am subscribed to on YouTube. Also a subscriber of mine, also one of my old co-workers. I shouted him out before in one of my previous videos, so if y'all haven't checked him out yet, I'm about to shout him out again. Y'all make sure y'all check my boy out at Official D Spot. As you can see, his information right here on this side, and I'm also linking his channel down in the description below. I don't want this video to be too long. Just wanted to jump in and give y'all a quick tutorial on how I edit my thumbnails right here on my iPhone 11. Yes, I'm still with the iPhone 11. I'm at the age now I don't need to upgrade as long as my phone is still working. Moving along. This is just going to be a simple thumbnail tutorial, just to show y'all the basics of how I do it. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Let me get this screen share on for y'all. Okay, boom, it's up there. So first things first, normally for my backgrounds, if I'm not using the actual snapshot from the video for my background too, I typically would download a background image from Google. And when I download that background image from Google, I would typically just go ahead into this app here called Photo Editor, as you can see right here. And that's the app I would normally use to just go ahead and turn it black and white. So we're not going to go into that part. We'll go ahead and go to the next thing that I use. So after I do that part, I go to this app called Fonto. This is a free app you can use. You just start by clicking the camera at the bottom. Go to plain images. You can choose the black or the white square. The color of that doesn't really matter. Up here at the top where you see the 2048 by 2048, you're going to click on that. You're going to click on custom, and here's where we change the size to YouTube's thumbnail size. So the top number would be 1280, bottom number would be 720. You hit done. It's going to bring you back to this screen. Now in the top right hand corner you see this square with the arrow pointing up. You click that. Then you can click use. Then it's going to bring you to this screen with the grid in the background and your thumbnail size in the middle. So from here, you click the 3 lines in the bottom left hand corner. Click add image. I'm going to select Martin Luther King. We're going to use Martin Luther King to do this basic thumbnail tutorial because y'all know MLK Day is coming up. So I thought, why not use him? So once you click on the image, you hit done. Now when it comes to the screen, it's going to be small, but if you click on it, then you hit size. And you just move this bar all the way up to get it as big as you want it. But you just want to make sure that it does cover the black square. So once I've aligned it and see that it has covered the black square, you go hit the square with the arrow pointing up again in the bottom right corner. Click save image. And it's going to save. Now this is a free app, so of course we got ads. Typically the ads always pop up after you save your first one or whatever. So when we hit OK, I'm 100% sure ads gonna pop up. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that ad do what it do. Okay, I'm gonna exit off that ad and I'm gonna turn the screen record back on. Okay, so after you do your save, it's going to bring you back to that same screen. What you want to do then is hit the camera in the bottom, hit reset. That's going to bring you just simply back to the grid. So from there, you want to click on the camera again, select photo albums this time, then select the image that you just sized. It's going to pop up like this with different filters at the bottom. You can add if you want. I never use those filters, but it's up to you, your preference. But once you click on it, you just hit done in the top right corner. It's going to bring you back to the editing grid. So from here, this image was already black and white. I did not have to turn the color on this. But let me go ahead and pull up the next app to show y'all how we get the outline of the image. So I'm just going to swipe up to close out of that. And then from my app library, the next app I use is called Bazaar, or Bazaar, however you want to pronounce it. So from here is how I get my outline. So you hit the plus at the middle bottom. You hit click start with a photo. You're going to select the Martin Luther King photo. The original photo you use for your main image is, you know, the one you want to do the cutout with. So with this, once it's up, down here at the bottom, you're going to click the option that says magic. It's going to do its thing, and boom, it pretty much erases the entire background. Then for the outline, you're just going to swipe over a little bit. You'll see this option that says outline. Click outline. You can select different colors. For this one, I'm going to just stick with white. It's going to outline it for you. If you click on outline again, you can size it, make it as big as you want. But me, I'm just going to keep it real simple. When you're done, click the green check in the top right hand corner. Click the box with the arrow in the top right hand corner. And you're going to save image. Boom, it's saved, so it should be in your photos. Then I'm going to head back over to Fonto. We're going to click the 3 lines at the bottom left hand corner. Click add image. Then you're going to select the image that you did the highlight of, or the outline of. That's going to come out real small, but if you click on it, once again you hit size, then you move this bar over to make it as big as you need it to be, and you bring it over here and put it into place as to where it's covering up the actual body, like that. Then once you're done, you're going to click the square with the arrow bottom right again, click save image, and it's going to save successfully. There shouldn't be no more ads to pop up right at this moment, so we're going to hit OK. Then you're going to click the camera again, hit reset, back to the grid, editing grid. Then you're going to hit the camera again, photo albums, and then you're going to click the completed image that you just did with the outline. Then you're going to hit done in the top right corner. So it's going to bring that image back to your editing grid, and then from there, if you like to use the video recording image, I already have one that's transparent saved to my phone, but you can pretty much Google video recording transparent image or something like that, and it'll come up. But mine, I already have it. So I'm going to click add image again. I'm going to go through my photos. I already know what mine's at, is all the way up here. And this is what it'll look like when it's transparent. Again, you can find any of these images or one of your preference right on Google. I'm going to click done in the top right hand corner. It's going to come out small again, but again, you just tap on it, hit size, make it bigger to cover the whole image. Then you have to move it and put it into a position or place that you're comfortable with or that you like. So I'm just going to put mine right here. Now, because these are white, depending on your background, sometimes it may not show up completely, but this is pretty much how it would look. So once you have that in place, you go back to that square with the arrow in the bottom right corner. Once again, you're going to click save image. Save successfully. Okay. No ads, so you go ahead and hit the camera once again. Reset. Hit the camera once again. Photo albums. And you're going to bring up that last image you just saved. Boom. So now you're back to the editing grid again. And this is the part where you can pretty much add everything else that you want to add. Again, this is just a simple edit, something for y'all to start off with if you want to use this method. But when you're ready to add your text, you just tap it. It's going to say add text. You're going to click on that. And I'm just going to put MLK Day 2022 22. And you can move this anywhere you want on the screen. But if this was a real thumbnail I was doing, it would probably be right here. If you click on it again and you want to change the color, you click style. If you need to make it bigger or anything, like you can change the font. I typically use Luckiest Guy, but they got plenty of different fonts you can choose from. If you want to change the size, you click size, make it bigger, make it smaller, bigger, smaller, you know, whatever preference you prefer. I'm going to stick with this size. I'm going to make it a little bit more smaller. put it right there. So click on it again, you can tilt it, which means you can go this way, that way, you know, you can flip it whichever way you want it to go. I might put a little tilt on it since his arm is pointing up. Put it like right there. Let me see, tilt it back a little bit more. Yeah, that might be nice right there. And lastly, I changed the color. So I click style, different colors you can choose from. I always start with black. And my colors on my thumbnails always match my channel art. So go back. Well, actually I'll start with this part being black. Then I'm gonna double it. So you'll just swipe left, click these two little boxes that interlock with each other, and it's gonna give you a double text, meaning it's gonna just duplicate the text you already have. Then I would change that one by clicking style, and then I'll scroll left till I find the color that I want to use. And for my channel, I use this color here. And then I move this up to cover, or to basically make it look like it's shadowed. That's what that is for. If you want that shadow look, that's why I do that. You can move it, you know, if you want the shadow to come out this way, or if you want the shadow to come out towards the back, up, down, you know, however you want it. In this edit, I think I'm gonna do it just like that. Now, some colors may show up better, but again, my color of choice is teal, and it says MLK Day 2022. So this is the final look of my simple thumbnail. If I was editing a Martin Luther King video, this is how this will come out. If you want to add arrows and stuff like that, you just click the three lines at the bottom left again, click add item, and here's where you can add other things such as like these little love and like icons, speech bubbles, dream bubbles, banners, stars, etc. I'll just add a star just to show y'all how that looks. My star came out red, so you can change this too by clicking color and changing it to the color that matched my text, which was this one. And I'm gonna move this star right here because Martin Luther King was a star. You can tilt and move this too if you want, but me preferably, I'm just gonna leave mine like that. So there you have it. This is how you edit a simple thumbnail. Once you're done, bottom right hand corner again, and you save the image. And now you have successfully saved, hold on y'all, I'm in my deleted. Now you have successfully saved your thumbnail. And the way I get my thumbnail from my phone to my computer is I just click this bottom left arrow if you have an iPhone, and I email it to myself, and then I download it to my computer once I email it. Alright, so that is it. That's how I edit my thumbnails for my videos. Again, that was just a simple tutorial just to teach y'all how I do it, and if y'all want to give it a try it. Let me know how that works out for y'all in the comments below. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, or if you want me to just do a video on me actually editing one of my personal thumbnails for my channel, just to see how I do mine into more details, let me know. I'll be glad to do one for y'all. But other than that, that's all for this video. Hope you guys are having a great day, and remember to be safe, stay blessed.